Hey everybody, with the evolution of outdoor power equipment and lithium-ion battery technology, 1 and 2 gallon handheld pump sprayers, they're just getting pushed aside. Manual sprayers, they're not conducive to productivity. They're often just not big enough the capacity to get a large job done, and frankly, who wants to pump up these things anyway? It's frustrating, it's tiresome. So RYOBI just released a cordless backpack sprayer. And that's what this review is about. RYOBI continues to impress Toolbox Buzz crew with their outdoor power equipment, from their 18-volt platform to their 40-volt OP outdoor power equipment stuff, recently to their 80-volt zero-turn mower, which we reviewed this summer. This 40-volt cordless backpack, 4-gallon backpack sprayer, it comes as a kit or a bare tool. And some of the cool features on it, it has a gravity-fed tank design. What that means is it eliminates that level of fluid that always gets wasted at the bottom of the tanks. So the left and right sides of the tanks are just sloped enough that the fluid is then channeled down into the lowest point of the sprayer's feed, and it's just fed by gravity. The tank's translucent and allows you to see the fluid level, which is important. And there are 2 fluid level indicator scales on each side of the tank. The left side of the tank has a 1 to 4 gallon scale. Left side has a metric scale from 5, 10, and 15 liters markings. We felt maybe highlighting those numbers or darkening them might be better if RYOBI could do that, because you have to kind of squint to see the numbers. There's a speed control on the lower left side of the sprayer, and you use that to adjust the speed. So variable speed control, and adjust the PSI from 0 to 90 PSI. There's a yellow trigger, or I should say a lock switch on the trigger handle, and that allows for you to lock it on for a constant stream. And then the sprayer has backpack straps, adjustable straps and a chest strap, and there are multiple points of adjustment just to achieve a good fit or get it to where you need it to sit properly. Now, let's talk a little bit about runtime. RYOBI claims you can spray 200 gallons on a 2.0 amp hour battery. That is awesome. During our testing evaluation, we sprayed about 50 gallons of pesticide and herbicide. We also sprayed about 20 gallons of water through the tank afterwards to clean it between uses. And we didn't notice any decrease in power through our spraying. And the indicator light was on 2 bars. We then did another application very similar, and it went down 1 more bar. So we got up to about 150 or so. Overall impressions. One of the major benefits of a cordless sprayer like this is its ability to avoid that hand pumping, right? The manual part. Having a pump built into the pressure, that built up pressure, I think it's just a huge win. Whether you're a simple DIY homeowner or maybe a professional landscaper, the RYOBI cordless backpack sprayer, it's one of those pieces of equipment, just makes your job easier. If you're on the RYOBI 40V platform, it's definitely worth a purchase. I think it's sold as a kit for $219. You can get it as bare tool as well. And look, as general contractors or remodeling contractors like myself, we receive requests all the time, and we do lots of different variety of tasks where we use sprayers. Cleaning, chemicals, all kinds of different things. And having a cordless sprayer that has a 4-gallon capacity, I think that's amazing. So the RYOBI 4-gallon cordless backpack spray, it's going to allow you to efficiently spray a variety of projects and eliminate all the handwork, all the pumping, and make it easier for you. So we recommend it. I hope you enjoyed this review. It was a super quick review, but I wanted to just highlight this tool. We had a lot of fun playing around and testing it, and we're going to keep it and use it on our projects. Take care.